welcome back to another video. And as you can see, we are back at our extension, and this is gonna be the final kind of episode for now, because we have some other plans that we'll see when we're gonna be able to do. So in this video we are gonna do this siding, but only on the front, not on the sides, because in the past video we explained that we have changed some plans, and you will hopefully see it in upcoming video. So yeah, let's get started. In the past video we attached already the first 3 woods, but then rain got us and we wanted to plane them, wanted to make them nice. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get started with removing those 3 that we attached, and we're gonna plane them and then put them back on, so they have they're a bit more fresher, because David said that we're doing such a good job on the whole building and it's a bit clumsy of us to put them like that. So yeah, let's now remove them and plane them and put the rest of them on.
So I made kind of like a little walkway for me, and I could have had this done long time ago.
Too long.
Start of this week, when we started on this project, because it's really useful, because I feel much more safer on this. Because now I did it because I don't have the beam to step on, I had the beam to step on. But yeah, this feels a lot more safer and I can work on. I still have the possibility of falling, but I can just jump down. It's only 2 meters high, it's not that high. And I'm pretty good on my feet, so should be all fine. And,
yeah, now it's gonna be less, because I had a ladder there and you were on, you know, the edge.
Yeah, on the little woody walking across. It was hard to screw on. Now I feel a lot more stable to do it.
Okay.
So, pretty good.
Let's get it on fast. Off. like columns.
So as you can see, it's very light and we are done with the siding. It's not perfect up here, but we're gonna come back to that another time. Overall, it's pretty good. And yeah, we finished roughly around 10:30. The sun set like 30 minutes ago. We didn't realize how light it was because there was still sun in the sky, but the sun set so late. So yeah, it's 10:30 and mosquitoes are starting to attack us, but not as bad as it was few days ago when we started this project. I think it turned out pretty good. It looks really proper and very nice. We still need to add here little covers for not to get water behind this wood and not to damage them. So like little window edges, and a lot more things need to be done. We need to add silicone around the windows. We need to still put rubbers around those windows, but that's kind of extras because all the side is still open. And we did decide to take all the roof down and put it back up properly. Since we are doing it, we want to kind of put a wind barrier everywhere and do it really good. So I think overall it's turning out pretty good. Now we're kind of confident we can do our own house, this extension, and then the roof of course as well. That's kind of getting close to being done with this specific project for now, at least. We're gonna come back to it once the weather is solid, you know, without saying rain, because we need to change the whole roof. Then we need really good weather, and then we're also gonna close up the sides. So let us know what you think of the project. If you like it, we're gonna probably do similar projects now. We have some things to do on surrounding of the house. But yeah, hope you enjoy. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
It looks amazing. I don't know how the camera picks it up, but in real life, it looks amazing.
Let's go sleep.
Yeah, let's go shower.